Okay, this one right here is a Venetian, and you can see a little bit of it right here. This is actually called the shops, Four Seasons shops. But then you go through this building, then you can see all of the Venetian on that side. And then you have the Cotai Strip. You have the Morpheus right there, City of Dreams. And then the Londoner is that beautiful one on the other side as well. So right on the Cotai Strip of Macau. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to be going inside of here, and we're going to be going through this little space right here. So take one last look of the Cotai Strip, the beautiful Londoner Casino right there. That one is actually connected by this bridge. So Londoner and Venetian and Parisian all are connected by the underground part. This is all part of the Londoner as well. And then we're also going to be going into this Four Seasons, and then on the other side of Four Seasons is the one that our target one, Venetian. So yeah, this little shop at Four Seasons goes between Parisian, Venetian, and then behind us is a Londoner. Down that way. Okay, so I'm going to navigate this one, and then we'll turn back on the camera when we get to the other side at the Venetian. Sunday night, about 9 o'clock, so a lot of things are closing, just so you know. Okay, so we're coming into the Venetian now. And yeah, this is probably one of my favorite casinos, actually. I like the Londoner, Parisian, Venetian. But yeah, this one is a good place to film. It also has all the different shops you could imagine as well, and some of them are, there's a nice range of them as well. You know, sometimes when I go to certain casinos, they're very, very, very high end. You know, just these large empty shops with very little inside, and what little they have is at a very high price, and they don't even look that good anyways. You know, it's not like they look good at all. But this one, you got a nice wide range of different things. And it's also quite beautiful. So if I was a tourist, I'd probably try to stay maybe here, or Londoner, or Parisian. All three are connected by bridge as well. And if you're wondering why it's so empty, it's not because of COVID. It's because it's Sunday night at 9:30, and these places close about 9 o'clock. So we're going to start seeing, is it 9 or 9:30? Maybe they close. Anyways, things are definitely closing at nighttime. So unlike Las Vegas, everything here closes. The casinos, all the shopping closes quite early. So usually they'll start closing about 9, between 9 and 10, and then by 10 almost everything is closed. Some things close at 8 o'clock. And unfortunately for me, I usually don't come here in the daytime. I usually doing a lot of other stuff that I need to do. So if I come over here to be in the evening, like right now. So unfortunately, I always kind of come when things are closing down, and it's kind of like, it feels, even though it's a big international city, the way the casinos close, it kind of feels like it's like something that would happen in a small town in the United States, you know, where they just close down around 9 or 10. Let me just see. Okay, so we could go into that area, but I think it feels so quiet. Let me just turn it back on when we get to something interesting. Okay, we're gonna come up on the food court of the Venetian, and I expect it to be quite empty because a lot of them will be closed. Again, it's like not like the United States. It's not like even like Japan or Taiwan or Japan, Korea, you know, where things are 24 hours, and this would be almost anywhere else in the world. This would be, all these restaurants would be open. And it's not because of COVID, it was always been this way. I came in 2013, and this was here in 2013, and it hit about this time of the night. It was always like this, and you'd have like a couple places open, but mostly, for the most part, it was all closed. Let me just see. I think that Castizo is open. I think that's the only one. So yeah, I think all these are closed. I think the Castizo. So let's just walk over towards Castizo. I think that one might be open over there as well. So, okay. So Castizo is open. And I think I have got food here late in the evening as well. So Castizo is a chain in Macau. So you can find it a lot of different locations. So that's actually the food court. And we'll just kind of do a quick view of it. Yeah, unfortunately because of the timing, it's largely closed. But I think what we're going to do next is we're just going to walk into kind of this main central area over here. And back when, I might actually go down, but this is the main central area. And it looks like it's pretty quiet as well. Yeah, there's Victoria's Secret, it's already closed. So it's not because of COVID, it's just the way that it is in Macau culture or whatever. Well, it's weird. It's not that things close in Macau at nighttime because it's a pretty big city, but for whatever reason the casinos do. And they don't really seem to compete with each other either, so it's kind of a mystery. So you'd think that they would maybe compete and one casino would stay open, have all the restaurants open all night, you know, for people at 3 in the morning, and they could probably make a lot of money, but I don't know, for some reason it's like kind of they just don't really, it must be some kind of city ordinance or something. If you know, maybe let me know. And we're gonna come out to the other side down here, then we can see this floor, and then we're gonna go on out of here. So, okay. I think we're gonna see the casino floor in a second as well. So we're gonna be heading down, and then you can see everybody. Let's just go down this way. Okay, so we're gonna head down this way, and then now you can see kind of the Gaudi Casino carpet floor. Gold chaps. I remember when this was a lot more crowded too, before COVID, but not at this time. At this time, it was always kind of quiet because everything closes down. I wonder what the tourists do. I don't know where they go. I mean, I guess they might just close down. Might encourage people to stay into the casino part. Oh yeah, there's one little thing over there. This used to be just filled with stuff all the way in the middle. I guess COVID has affected us more than... I see so many Chinese tourists everywhere, so sometimes I feel like it's all open. This one advertises things around here. Let's see if anything's interesting. Ramen, Shake Shack with a little Macau icon thing. Sauerkraut, it's better than fish. Okay. London. Japan one. Sorry. Yeah, so we're gonna head on down. The music is pretty good. So there's the Cotai Arena. They haven't had an event in there in like years. I remember they had the Rolling Stones once about 7 years ago, I think. And that was the biggest show that they had. And then I think they tried to have some other shows, but I think predominantly they used to be a lot of Manny Pacquiao fought there. I watched him. But for the most part, let me get rid of that music. Okay, we're gonna head on out. So these are ways to get out. Bordergate, taxi, Hengshin Island, it said. I think it did say Hengshin. Wow, that's a new border point. This is also obviously just crowded with buses, but I guess they got loud music though, that opera. What was that saying? I don't know. There's Galaxy in front of us, and then Venetian behind us. And yeah, I forget what I was talking about in there. Maybe just remind me. I either can make a comment in the comment section, or I'll do another video later. But yeah, that's Galaxy behind us. That's a billboard for Venetian. And then this is look at that, there's a bat or a bird or something up there kind of floating in the air, or a piece of plastic. So anyways, that's Venetian right there. And so now you kind of got a taste of this casino as well, and we're gonna end it right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys, 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.